Hola, estudiantes. I'm going to give you a brief summary of little sponges, a little tour, if you will. So you're going to click right here, go to the website, and here we go. So we're going to start our language adventure, and that would be Spanish and English, of course. All right. And from here, you get to choose your own adventure. So select any of these numbers that you want. So you could do a gym adventure, a garden, a beach, the ocean, and learn vocabulary that has to do with all of those topics. So let's start with the beach, la playa. Okay, so aventura en la playa. All right, so once you click into this adventure on La Playa, you're going to watch and learn. So watch a brief video. And you go through and you just learn a little bit of vocabulary about how to say that it's hot outside. How to say that you have a bathing suit. And they're just going to word circle some vocabulary there for you. Okay, then after you're finished with the video, then you're going to go down and practice the new vocabulary. So you're going to select Español and practice a little bit of the vocab. Okay, so here you're going to get to practice pronunciations for different words. Okay, and then when you're finished with that, you'll go back after you watch all of those videos. And let's see here, watch and learn, practice new vocabulary. Then you're going to play comprehension games. So select Español. Okay, and that's going to load. And yeah, here you're just going to push play and you're going to get to practice different vocab. All right. All right, and then on this part, they're going to go through and you'll hear a voice saying one of your new vocabulary words you learned in the practice above. And if you hear them say gafas del sol, for instance, that's going to be sunglasses. And once you see the sunglasses, come down or scroll down here at the bottom. Haven't seen them yet because I just selected them. I bet it's disappeared now. Okay. Conchas. Okay, so conchas. You heard conchas, and that are shells. And then castillo. You hear castillo, so you'll select that. So once you hear a word, if you need it repeated, you just go up here and you just select the picture of the word that you just heard. And when you're finished with this game, you X out here at the top. All right. And then next you're going to take a little comprehension quiz. Of course, it's just for practice. It's no stakes here, so don't worry about that. And you're going to press play and you're going to hear the way things are pronounced. You'll see a picture and then you'll select each of these and they're going to say the words below, 4 different vocabulary words, and you select the one that you hear that says, for instance, this one is gafas del sol. So whichever one of these says gafas del sol, you'll select that and hit next. Okay? And then you'll go through and listen to all 4 vocab words said out loud, and then you're going to select the one that says sombrero. So this one says sombrero. You select that and move on. Okay? All right, so this next part is practice speaking is the theme. So it's review or repaso. And these guys are going to lead you through a speaking activity. All right, so you'll just repeat the things that you hear said and written up there on the screen. All right, and in this part, you're going to practice reading sight words. So you click on the Español. And they're going to walk you through this part where you see una playa and you say una playa and you see pictures of la playa. Lluvia, You see lluvia, so it's visuals to go with your new vocab words. And next you're going to play a reading game. So you push play, and it's very similar to the one with the single word vocabulary you did before. So when you read the word un castillo de arena, you're going to select it. And the next one, el sol, so you're going to select that, and so on and so forth. All right, next you get to take a reading quiz. Again, it's not a quiz for any grade, it's just simply for practice. So you're going to see a picture of an object and you're going to recognize it. This one is nubes because it's clouds. You would select that and hit next. Very simple. All right, and then the next is label pictures, the last piece. So here, this is actually writing practice, so you can print this off and write in the words. I'm going to go ahead and say this is optional for you guys because I'm unsure if you have the printer, and then it would take one extra step for you to turn this in to me. So feel free to do this on your own, but you're not required to. And that's it.